Hi, welcome to my channel, and today I'm in Chinatown. So today is a little project that I want to embark on to take some temples in this area. There's literally like a lot of temples right here, Chinese temples and Indian temples and Muslim temples. But I guess I don't have the time, but I will just do two temples, which is one of the two very popular temple in Singapore. One is the Buddha Tooth Relics temple just right across that area, and another one is right across about 10 minutes walk, which is the Hokkien temple, Thiam Hock Keng. So I'm going to visit these two temples, especially the Thiam Hock Keng, which is a very old temple in Singapore. Some really quick tips about visiting the temples in Singapore, especially the Chinese temple. No heads allowed in temples. Not sure why, but just respect the rules, and you have to wear proper attire. So that means no singlets and no short pants. So preferably today I'm wearing a long pants and just wearing a long sleeve. Doesn't require you to wear a long sleeve, but just proper attires. And no, I don't know about slippers, but I'm wearing shoes, so hopefully shouldn't have a problem entering these temples. But of course, there are certain locations in Singapore where you are not allowed to take photograph of, especially some relics and some statues, kind of stuff. So I'm not too sure yet. I'm gonna check out with the staff in the temple. Hopefully, you guys, when you're visiting temples, do check out the staff and employees there. Make sure that there are things that you are not supposed to photograph. So let's go.